Hi, I'm Stacy and I'm the Indy hybrid trainer, and welcome to my channel. Alright, so I get my French vanilla coffee. It's a light roast from Aldi because dark roast, nasty. So there's this. This is what I get. Also, I get my almond milk. I get the vanilla, and unsweetened is key because then it makes it less calories. So this one's only 30 calories because it's unsweetened, but it still has the vanilla flavor, which makes it awesome. And then last, I put my collagen inside my protein powder because as you age, your collagen decreases, and this helps with your skin, nails, hair, everything inside your body, your ligaments, your joints, everything. So I just put it all in one. To make my coffee sweeter, because twangy coffee is gross, I get this kind of liquid syrup, which it is 0 calories, so 0 carbs, 0 fats, and everything. So that is perfect for me because I dunk it like this, and you can't do that with creamer because you're gonna be having like 700 calories in your coffee to start your day. So that's not good.